Effective public relations strategies to help your small business. Part 2. Specific strategies for public relations for small businesses. You have plenty of options, so find the mix that works for your business. You may get your greatest return from traditional media, digital platforms, or live interactions. Try these techniques. 1. Take advantage of media coverage. Greater visibility is one of the rewards of PR, especially if you receive favorable treatment from respected sources. Pitch your story and do interviews. If you're skillful and persistent, reporters may start calling you. 2. Share your expertise. Put your knowledge and experience to work. In addition to providing content for news stories, you can publish your own materials, book speaking engagements, and participate in online forums. 3. Monitor your mentions. Keep track of what others are saying about you. Sign up for Google Alerts or other notification services. Respond promptly to criticism and thank others for their feedback. 4. Give back. Support your local community and worthy causes. Donate money and encourage your employees to volunteer. Sponsor a fun run or clean up a beach for Earth Day. 5. Create resources. Develop an accessible archive of high-quality content. That way, you'll be prepared to make a positive impression when potential customers are searching for information or reporters need quick answers while you're on vacation. 6. Consider outsourcing. While there are many things you can handle yourself, you may want to explore professional PR services too. The investment could be worthwhile if you're trying to manage a crisis or launch a major new campaign. You can communicate effectively and build mutually supportive relationships with a DIY approach to public relations. Strategic outreach will help your small business to stand out and succeed.